Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry I haven't put out anything in a long time. I have been crazy busy. So that includes, I just recently went to Nicaragua. So I'm working on that video, but in the meantime, I have since been to Joshua Tree, Grand Canyon, and Zion National Park. So I have some really good stuff to show you. Today is Joshua Tree. Now there's absolutely no commentary for this video because I was actually on a silent retreat. I did about 5 days of absolute silence after I got back from Nicaragua. It wasn't an intentional thing to begin with, but it turned out to be, and it was really great, and I'm gonna start incorporating that in my life later. So I'm working on that Nicaragua video. In the meantime, here's Joshua Tree. I hope that you enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon.